Let's find the vaccine. Okay, it's gonna be alright now, Birdo. I'm gonna find a vaccine. Where is it? Where could they find? Okay, stay with here, Birdo. I'm here with you. Oh, come on. Where is it? Oh, there. Found it. He said he wants to get the cute blue. A cute blue. She's fine. The train has arrived at the station. Thank you for boarding around the Tree City. Oh my goodness.